Hai Selin sayang. Hmm, um, yeah, I feel tired. As I show you, working selling things at Gaya Street. Okay, sayang Selin. Don't worry, anything okay? Everything going to be alright. You absolutely going to be the greatest singer and the great I am and Yeshua will make me able to make your many concert. Okay? Okay sayang. Love you so much. Miss you. Ma. Bye.